at the Lucknow railway station, and I came through this train. This is a Lucknow mail train, and just dropped me. I just came outside the train, and now I'm just going to find a hotel to stay there. And now I'm just going, and you can see my sleepy face. I was sleeping, and somebody was like, "Hey, it's Lucknow." Then I wash my face, and you can still see my sleepy face. And now just I am going because of I am just came here to meet someone for a personal. So this is why I am just going. I will meet at it's meeting around 11 a.m. but it's just right 7. This is why I'm just going to find some hotel here. Now I will show you the the entrance on exit gate of the Lucknow. Let you can see, and this you can hear the announcement sound, announcement voice we can say, and you can see this the autos and some kinds of vehicle. Through them you can go here and there wherever you want. This is the look. This is a old type of building. And now I will show you the metro of the Lucknow. And now you can see I am at the Charbagh. This in front of me there is a metro, namely Charbagh, and this station is also Lucknow Charbagh. This is not a this is a, and I will show you something. I want to observe the people going to their home on here and there, and I am also going to my destiny. Now, guys, you can see me. I am in the hotel room right now. I stay here, and this is the place. I don't know what is the place. Is it is the nearby of the railway station of Lucknow. So I stay here, and I will show you the room. The room is not so fancy, but it is a kind of good. Not, I can't say it's not good, but it's good. Not so good because I am just take shower just because I don't put any clothes on my body. Not any clothes I wear, but not shirt or t-shirt like this. And because of there is no one in my room, this is why I am just taking rest, and I am just watching videos and reels on my phone, and I am waiting for with client meeting. Its meeting is around 11 a.m. It's almost 9:30. So I am waiting, and I will leave, but I will stay today this room, and I will left in the evening, late night evening, because it's my return train today. So I have to left in the today night. So I will stay here at the night, and now I will show you the room. The room, you can see, this is the entrance gate. This is the kind of lock you can see, and another lock is there. And now this is the door we can say. From this side you can enter into this room, and now you can see the this is a hole in a and this is my bottle. This is the key of this door and this lock, and now this is the pillow, and another pillow is there, and this is the bed. You can see I am lying on it, and now you can see it's a blanket. So that, and these are my clothes. These are my, you can see my mobile and earpods and watch, and my pant shirt and inner wear. And now here is my shoes, you can see. And now I am barefoot right now, and you can see it's a dress. This is the table, and you can see the curtains. Two types of curtain, there are three curtain. And now you can see the toilet, or we can say bathroom. This is the bathroom. I bath here, I take shower, and this is the toilet. This is whole we get only in 1000 rupees for one day, not 24 hours. It's around, I just check in around 8 a.m. and I will check out around 8 p.m. So it's around 12 hours. So for 12 hours it cost 1000 rupees. But it's good because I'm just taking rest, because I you know didn't sleep in night. Guys, I feel so sleepy. I want to make this video for my gaining fluency, for I want to speak whatever the topic is. But there is something, what is my motive? My motive behind this ki I want to speak in English, whatever the topic is, whatever the situation is. Now you can see my sleepy face, and I feel so sleepy. I'm just about to sleep now. I am lying on the bed, you can see. But I thought कि I should capture myself, so that this moment will be captured, and this video absolutely will upload on YouTube. This is why I'm capturing. I am just going to sleep now. See you later. There is one thing I want to tell you, कि Ranveer just called me कि Ranveer gave me a matter which was 498A. So despite the complainant not go on each and every date, because of the VW against complainant has been issued, and police arrest him. And now Ranveer called me कि he just arrested by the police. But I do now, I just say कि I am not in Delhi, so I am in Lucknow right now. So I just say to him कि give me IO number, or I want to talk to the IO. I want to know कि why he was arrested. So I just talked to the IO, and IO was said कि the BW has been issued against the complainant, because of complainant not go to each and every day in the court. This is why. So I just said I just cooperate with him. So he was saying कि okay, we are taking sign, and I will release him. So I just said to the complainant as well कि don't worry, because complainant getting hyper. Vakil sir, please, please, Maka, don't worry about it. I will manage all of the things. Don't worry. So now I am at the Lucknow station. You can see behind me. This is a Lucknow Charbagh railway station. This is the building of the Charbagh, and you can see the board as well. Lucknow Junction board, as you can see in front of me, and you can see the auto rickshaws all over there. And now you can see the metro of Lucknow. And there was not so much rush here, but on road, under the flyover, you can see the actual jam and actual rush over there. And now I am just going to, my train is, I just booked the slot through my phone, and my train is at 10 p.m. This is why I have, 1 hour to walk or see something new and explore the, station. Don't, here is nothing to explore, but I have so many things to observe. And now I will show you the, and you can see the, Lucknow Junction पर आपका स्वागत है. Welcome to Lucknow Junction. This is the building, and now you can see this is the entry or exit. This is the exit or entry road, and main road is under the bridge, and not the bridge, under the flyover. This is the Kanpur main highway, and now you can see the paths for passenger and auto rickshaws as well. And you can see the public here